Video looking at a master bushing kit energy suspension. This particular set is for a EK Del Sol. So when you order these, we need to know what engine the car had from the factory, and if it's changed, what engine you have now. If you want to change a lot of bushes on the car, then energy suspension, I'd recommend, is definitely the way to go. It is a much cheaper way of replacing a lot of bushes in one go compared to other manufacturers. And obviously, you know, you might not need all of these bushes, or you might not want to change all of these bushes. Bear in mind, quite a bit of labour involved in changing bushes on the car. It's not an easy job, if you like, or a fast job. So if you want to just change one or two bushes, then, you know, a blaster bushing kit's probably not for you. But if you want to change a lot of bushes on the car at the same time, then, you know, get a master bushing kit. And the worst case scenario is you don't change some of the bushes there. It's still going to work out cheaper, probably. So I'm just going to show you what's in this kit. So first of all, we've got a rear lower control arm bushings. Code is 163109G. Don't worry about the color. The G at the end is just indicating the color, but there is no real difference between the red and the black. So this is what you get in that one. Then we have the shifter bushings, shifter stabilizer bushings. Now this is what's different depending on the engine. Then we have a rack and pinion mount set. So this is for your steering rack. Then we have a shock mount bushing set. So if I'm correct, this is going to be, I think you're going to have top mounts in this, and the bushes for the bottom of the shock absorbers also. I could be wrong on this, but I think that's what it is. Code is 168103G. Got some bump here. Like I said, we customized the kit, so what you see on this paper might not match exactly what you have in there. It's an American company, so there can be differences between the European cars, yeah. And then we have shock mount bushing set, a second set, so it must be front and rear. Same things. 168102G. End link bushing kit 168104. I'm not going to pretend to know where this goes on the Civic. And then we have a beast code here, cab set, control arm set, I would imagine, bracket. So there's a load of them in here, as you can see. And then we've got a ball joint boot set. Again, I'm not going to pretend to know where this goes on the car. And then we've just got a couple of extra ones here. Got a pot of lubricant for the bushes here, and your energy suspension sticker. And that's it. Like I said, loads and loads of bushes in this kit. It's got all the major ones that wear out, you know. If you need anything else that's not in the kit, then we have other brands where you can buy like an individual bush. We personally only sell the master bushing kits from Energy Suspension, and then we sell the individual products. That would be Powerflex for anything that's not covered by Energy. So that's it, guys. Energy master bushing kit. It says Integra, but this has been customized for the customer's specific car, which in this case is an EK Del Sol. So as always, thank you for watching. Hope you liked the video. Please vote in it, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you again next time.